So 16 Tesla Cybercabs are spotted in Tesla Giga Texas crash test facility site. Hello everyone and welcome back to Torque News podcast, where I dive deep into the world of electric vehicle, autonomous technology and all things Tesla. I'm sorry about my voice, I'm a little bit under the weather. So this is Armen Arya from TorqueNews.com, and today I've got some electrifying news straight from the heart of Tesla's operations at Giga Texas. If you're searching for Tesla Cybercab updates, Giga Texas robotaxi production, or Tesla autonomous vehicle crash testing, picture this. It's December 22, 2025, and Tesla Giga Texas is buzzing with activity. Sawyer Merritt just dropped a kind of bombshell post showing 16 Cybercabs parked at the factory's crash test facility at Tesla Giga Texas. These aren't just any prototypes. Drone photos reveal some with deployed airbags and visible damage, proving Tesla is hardcore about safety validations for their robotaxi fleet. And get this, Cybercab production kicks off in less than 130 days, around April 2026. That's right, folks, unsupervised, autonomous ride-sharing could be hitting the streets in the United States by mid this year. Lots of Cybercabs on our roads. Quoting Sawyer's post, 16 Cybercabs spotted at Tesla Giga Texas crash test facility. Cybercab production starts in less than 130 days. He's quoting Joe Tegtmeyer, who shared pics of Cybercab casting stacked near the foundry, signaling a massive manufacturing ramp-up. This aligns perfectly with Tesla's accelerated robotaxi timeline, with talking real-world testing in Austin right now. So can you imagine hailing a driverless Cybercab for your daily commute? It's not sci-fi anymore, it's Tesla reality. Now let's make this conversation, friends. What do you think about Tesla pushing the envelope on autonomous technology? Are you excited, skeptical, or somewhere in between? Drop your thoughts, friends, in the comment section below. I'd love to hear if you're ready to ditch your steering wheel. I'm not ready, but some people may be. The X community is lighting up over this. One user, Brian Basson, nailed it, saying next year they're going to be all over the cities in the United States. Kind of absolutely, Brian. The robotaxi revolution is coming fast. Then there is MS asking, is that a pedestrian airbag? Great question. From the photos, it looks like Tesla's incorporating advanced safety features, possibly external airbags to protect pedestrians. Safety first in the autonomous era, right? James Darmon chimed in saying, just around the corner, this will be a momentous day for the world. Couldn't agree more, but I don't know where that future is going, James. This could change urban mobility forever. And for a bit of humor, one bad Murer rocker joked, saying that's his name, saying Tesla is hiding crashed vehicles from the public. FWAUD. What? Haha. And Amy Ferguson pointed out, saying that's a lot more than there has been. Spot on, Amy. Sightings of Cybercab are ramping up, showing Tesla scaling production. Another person named Sam Memi said Tesla already cooking. Yes, they are, and that's kind of really good. So excited when I can buy one. They're looking for buy one. I don't know when Cybertrucks will be available for sale, or Tesla will first start filling its robotaxi fleet. Ben Draker noted, saying, excellent to see they are parked very close to wall each other, aren't they? As you can see in the pictures. True Ben efficiency at its finest on Tesla Giga Berlin. And let me know, friends, it's an interesting idea. Solo Cybercab for quick solo trips. What do you think of that? Would you prefer a one-seater version? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. I mean, everyone, this Tesla Cybercab news from Giga Texas is a game changer for the electric vehicle industry. With production starting soon, we're on the cusp of a robotaxi boom. If you are into Tesla robotaxi timeline, Cybercab crash tests, or autonomous driving advancements, friends, stay tuned to TorqueNews.com, our website, for more. Now, question for you. How soon do you think Cybercabs will be available in your city? Any expectations? And comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. This is Armen Arya from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, everyone, and Merry Christmas in case we don't see you before Christmas. God bless you.